Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. I got a couple things I just got from Amazon today. Just wanted to show you guys and see what you think. First up, we got the Hurricane 7-foot telescoping rod from Mako. It looks pretty nice from what I can see. Comes in nice packaging. Nice, pretty turquoise color. This thing kind of actually looks like a lightsaber a little bit right now. It's pretty awesome. It's your thick, medium heavy action rod. Nice telescoping rod. This will be great for my backpacking adventures, locally. I go and fish and stuff by the river. This will definitely come in handy. And next up, got the new rod, or new reel, I mean. Let's see what we got here. Bam! Daiwa Regal, 4,000 BRA. First rod I actually bought independent. First rod and reel I bought independent. Most of my rods I got from like Walmart and stuff. I don't like to spend a lot of money. I still tend to catch pretty decent fish. So here we have the instructions and the schematics for fixing the reel. This reel comes with a second spool, which is pretty nice. Here's the meat and potatoes right here. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. This is gonna look beautiful. Beautiful sitting on this rod. Very nice. I feel like it matches pretty well. I mean, it's got this little bit of gold, but that'll look real nice sitting on there, real pretty. Gonna probably get some carp fishing action going on and some catfish. But as you can see, it's the Daiwa Regal 4,000 BRI. Spins pretty nice. Got your standard drag set up front and back. That's what I really bought it for right here, right here. You flip this down. You can adjust like a secondary, what they call, the name bite and run reel, or drag right here. So there's two different drags. You got a drag to fight the fish, and then you got your drag to just leave it on a holster or something. If you got a couple rods set up, or if you're trying to fish for something else on the side, or preoccupied with your kids or something like that. But yeah, for first unboxing, just want to show you guys this stuff. Pretty nice. Gonna hook that up later with some braid. And then yet again, Mako Hurricane medium heavy action telescoping rod. Got this for 20, and I think I bought this for 40, I want to say. I have to check with my phone. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys, and thanks for watching. And as usual, like and subscribe.